Sound is the vibrations that our ears can hear from the air. For example, this dog produces wave sounds or sound waves that enter our ear, vibrate the eardrum and the inner ear bones, and send a message to the brain. This is a sound wave. We have the amplitude, which is from peak to the center of the wave. We call this amplitude. It is how loud or quiet the wave is. We have the wavelength, which is from trough to trough. This is how low or how high the wave is. As it gets shorter, it is higher. As it gets longer, it is lower. The top or the top is called the peak and the bottom is called the trough. Intensity, how powerful the sound wave is. The volume. Notice they're at the same wavelength because it is the same bird. However, one is higher or louder and the other one is quieter or softer and smaller. Tone, how regular the wave is. The pitch. So, for example, the wavelength is longer, therefore it is lower. But if it is closer, it is higher. Timbre, the unique sound each thing produces. Notice the wavelength is the same for each one, and the pitch is the same. However, they sound differently because they are different instruments. Therefore, the timbre is different. What is different in this picture? Remember, amplitude, wavelength. The wavelengths are not the same. The amplitude is the same. They are all at the same volume, but they go from higher to lower, but they are at the same volume. What about this one? What about this one? The wavelengths are the same, but the amplitude is different. That means this one is quieter and this one is louder, but they sound the same. The amplitude is the same, but the wavelength is different. That means one is not louder or quieter. They are the same volume, but one is higher pitch and one is lower pitch. This is an example of the echo effect. Sound leaves this sound box, travels to this wall, bounces off the wall, travels to here, bounces off, travels to here, bounces off, travels, and it just bounce, 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 bounce. And you get echo, 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 echo. Many animals can use echolocation, a sound being sent out, bounced off objects, and returned to the sender to locate objects. For example, dolphins, submarines, and bats use echolocation. For example, this bat sends a sound to this moth. The moth bounces back the sound to the bat, and therefore the bat knows how far away the moth is.